Hidden frame installation. Simple construction. Good decorative effect. All components are connected into one. Strong integrity. The three-step installation method is simple and quick. The first step is to attach the subframe. Use professional structural glue to perfectly fit the photovoltaic module to the back aluminum frame and place it to dry. The second step is to install the keel. According to the drawing, measure the setting line, drilling position, chemical bolts, installation base, and main column. The third step is to install the components. Lay out the wires to determine the installation position of the pressure block. Place the components and the keel in the designated position. Use professional tools to fix the pressure block above the keel. After the components are installed, connect the component cables in series in sequence. The gaps between components are filled with weather-resistant sealant and wiped clean before acceptance is complete.